Hey, this is Bryan. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and check us out at KiesMotorsports.com. As you can see, we are here all set up on the Dynapacks for yet another dyno run. And we wanted to take the opportunity, since we have to do it anyway, to show you how to put a G-Series BMW in dyno mode. Now with the F-Series, you start by pressing the start-stop button one time. What's different in the G-Series and also the Supra is you want to push the start-stop button 3 times really fast. Ready? So you want to go 1, 2, 3. And then over here, you're going to see, wait for it, that you are in diagnostic mode. Now, once you're in this mode, what you want to do is you want to take your finger and you want to put it over here on the BC button, and you just want to hold it. So it's similar to like if you want to reset your oil light or your brake fluid light. It's going to be the same process, but we're just going to keep holding it. So we're holding. Sometimes it takes about 30 seconds or so. Keep holding, don't give up hope. Okay, so here we go. It says identification, system test, and it says chassis dyno. So we're gonna go tap, tap, and then hold. Keep holding. Okay, and then you let go, and then it wants you to put the DSC off. So over here, you're gonna just press and hold until it says DSC inactive, just like that. And then you just take the BC button and you just press it one time. And right now, the car is in dyno mode. And you'll know because one of the cool things that the G-Series does is it says that it's in test mode. Now, with the F-Series, you're just kind of left wondering if you really are. Until you start driving, you realize the speedometer and whatnot doesn't work. But you will have that pop up, and you will also have different weird errors that start to pop up. You might have ABS, you might have brake system, you might have, there's like 3 or 4 different errors you're gonna get, so completely normal. Once you've done that, I'm not quite ready to do it yet, but you wanna start the car, and then you are in dyno mode. And then to take it out of dyno mode, all you do is turn the car off, turn it back on, and it resets it. So anyway, short little video for you today, but I hope it is helpful, especially if you're going to be dynoing your Supra or your G-Series BMW. Once again, my name is Bryan. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and check us out at KiesMotorsports.com. And don't forget to watch this video when I dyno the car with AWE exhaust. Thanks for watching and have a great day.